On a daily basis, you probably visit tens of websites. You power on your device, go to your browser, and surf the internet for hours and hours. Using social media platforms, watching videos, listening music, and reading articles. These are the 4 major uses of the browsers today. But what if I told you that there could be a 5th use, one that you'd love to know about? That is making money. Yeah, you can make money online for simple using certain browsers. Use this browser for 7 days to earn $800. I know it sounds absolutely ridiculous, but with what I would show you in today, you would accomplish it yourself very quickly. By the end of this video, you will be efficiently prepared and well on your way to financial freedom. So watch until the end to know the secret strategy. But first, it's one thing to learn how to earn money online and another to start taking action. Go ahead and leave a like on this video so you can always come back to rewatch some of my exact steps when you begin your journey. You can also leave a comment down below on any concerns, questions, and opinions about the video. Now, let's make some money. Let's talk about Brave. You should know that Brave is basically a browser similar to Google, but unlike Google, you get fantastic accuracy on results in line with your search keywords. Being the search engine with the best privacy online, Brave also claims to be faster than Chrome and with a better protection. Let me tell you that Brave is exactly the same in terms of efficiency, navigation, and quick results that are extremely relevant to what you're looking for. But what actually distinguishes Brave from Google and other sites is one simple word: money. With Brave, you can actually earn money by browsing and supporting your favorite content creators. You can use this browser for 7 days to earn $800. Now, how exactly can you get paid by Brave? Scrolling down the main page to advanced features, you can see 3 major offerings: Advanced Security, Brave Rewards, and Crypto Wallet. Let's focus more on this one in the middle, Brave Rewards. Click on it to be directed to this page. Earn crypto tokens for your attention by opting into privacy-preserving first-party ads. With Brave Rewards, you can earn crypto tokens just for browsing and use them for almost anything: cash, gift cards, crypto, and more. If you're a bit familiar with cryptocurrencies, I want you to know that this Brave browser actually has its own crypto token, which you can exchange for real money. The name of this token is called Basic Attention Token because that is all they require of you to make money online with their browser. Just to basically pay attention. Basic Attention Token is currently trading at around 35 cents in the crypto market as at the time of this recording. You can exchange your earned tokens for free to real money on giant crypto sites like Binance. If you need help creating a Binance account to cash out all your crypto money from this Brave, just go ahead to watch my video here on how to get $700 in free Bitcoin on Binance. The link would be in the description below. Coming back to the Brave platform, this is what the browser would look like when you download and open it up. So far, I have made over 2,400 BIT with Brave, which is equal to $807 today. I'm actually waiting for my earning to hit $1,000 before sending to my wallet on Binance to withdraw it into real money. Maybe I'd make a video on that process as well. I have earned over 960 BIT in the first few days of September so far, and given 303 BIT as a gift to some creators. Over here, since I began using Brave browser, I have gotten over 40,000 trackers blocked, saving me 1 gig of internet data and 34 minutes of my time try to click off pop-up ads. We all know how annoying those can be. As I stated earlier, all of these websites will be aligned to your benefit where you would use this browser for 7 days to earn $800, which means you are the center of their world. With that said, you should be delighted to know that Brave works perfectly on all devices that you own. You can freely use either Android or iOS because they will work just fine on either of these devices. By default, the Brave browser rips out all the creepy ads and trackers from every web page you visit. Then it gives you the choice to see Brave private ads. This is what you get paid for: viewing the personalized ads from the Brave private ads. If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit the like button below and subscribe to stay updated on new videos. Let's go on. Companies pay Brave browser to display their ads on this service, and you would earn a commission on the payment for each ad you successfully watch. If you do, you get rewarded with Basic Attention Tokens, BAT. If you don't, that's okay, because the Brave browser will always remain free and private. So what do the Brave ads look like? I can't show some to you here on my browser because that could be an issue for me with YouTube's advertisers. However, this site gives a very clear description of them. They can come as a sleek background image on a new browser tab, or as a card in your Brave news feed, or even a small push notification. Brave doesn't support full-page ads or video ads. No pop-ups, never in your face. Just great offers from great brands, easy to opt out of and easy to dismiss whenever you want. What can you do with basic attention token that you would be earning? You can exchange it for cash value gift cards. Use it to tip websites and content creators. Store and swap it like any other crypto asset in your crypto wallet. Save, earn interest, buy NFTs, and more. So this is really an amazing one. Go ahead back to the homepage to join the more than 50 million people who trust Brave for a faster, safer web. Click here to download Brave and use this browser for 7 days to earn $800. Now let's just run a quick live demo in this browser so you see how great the Brave browser is. We begin by checking out the almighty google.com. Let's search for Wikipedia and just open that up. Going back, we'll search for trending and select Google Trends. Looking good. Taylor Swift, Kim Kardashian, World Cup, football, American football. Let's go back and search for the Queen of England. Rather, let's search for Queen Elizabeth II. May her soul rest in peace. And then you have your popular social media platforms. Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, let's search for your absolute favorite channel on YouTube. Who's that beautiful girl in the profile picture? You can answer that in the comments below.